CBD is everywhere.
CBD oil.
CBD.
Source you will find online, the CBD industry is projected to reach at least $22 billion in the next 2 to 3 years, making it one of the greatest wealth transfers that we have ever seen in our lives. And I have great news for you, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to profit off the CBD movement by simply partnering with one of the fastest growing CBD companies in the world.
Hi, my name's Jana, and I've earned $7,000 selling CBD with our company.
Hey guys, what's up? My name's Chris. I just want to let you know I've made 20 grand selling CBD with our company.
The CBD industry is growing so fast that even Dr. Oz had it featured on his show and called it the CBD oil boom. He also had a great review of CBD products on the show.
First of all, I think that there's a legitimate medicine in here. I think we're talking about something that could actually really help people.
Go ahead and Google CBD benefits to learn why CBD is taking over the world right now in terms of food and drink companies infusing CBD into their products. Even celebrities with their name and brand on the line like Morgan Freeman, Jennifer Aniston, Whoopi Goldberg, and hundreds of others are talking about the benefits of CBD in front of their audience of millions now. So if earning a great part-time to full-time income with our CBD business, the results of our team members are so exciting, but I gotta make sure that I give you the FTC income disclaimer for your protection. I just want to let you know that there are no guarantees regarding income when you become an affiliate with our company. The success or failure of each affiliate, like in any other business, depends upon each affiliate's skill set and personal effort. Earning levels for independent affiliates are...
Hey, my name is Lily, and I have made over $11,500 selling CBD with our company.
Hi, my name is Shannon Hamilton, and I've earned over $6,000 selling CBD in this company.
Hi, my name is Allison, and I have made over $53,000 selling CBD with our company.
My name is Jason. I've made $10,000 selling.
Hi there, my name is Vincent Ortega, and I became affiliated with our CBD company last month and earned $18,213.86 in my first month of recommending our CBD products to others. And the reason I was able to earn $18,000 so fast was simply because I marketed online and put videos like the one you are watching right now in front of a lot of online sales. So once again, if earning a great part-time to full-time income with our CBD business will be of value to you,